Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. In this video, there's no makeup tutorial. We are doing a hair tutorial. Thank you so much Bumble and Bumble for sponsoring this video. You guys guessed it. I'm going to use Bumble and Bumble thickening products. I've been using their products for weeks, maybe almost months now. I'm going to show you how I blow dry my hair, how I use the products, how I get volume in my hair. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you're wondering how I created this super airy hair with a lot of volume, then keep on watching. So first of all, a quick summary about my hair. My hair is damaged, it's bleached, it's dry, it's quite thick, but not so much in a good way because I can get volume, but usually it looks really dry. And then I put oils in it and oils in it, oils in it for it to look smooth. And then it's too heavy to have enough volume. So eventually I just end up wearing it in a bun. But now it completely changed. You know, as a beauty influencer, you get so many hair stuff. I can imagine walking into Sephora being so overwhelmed by the amount of hair products, but I feel like you should do some good research on what works for you. I believe the Bumble and Bumble thickening products really work for me. They contain Emblica technology. For example, I've used a thickening blow dry cream a few times and my friend always said, oh my god, your hair looks so voluminous and so airy at the same time. And she tried the texture spray. She bought it the next day, so it's really good. I'm rambling too much again. I'm just going to show you how I use the products, how I blow dry my hair, and what I do to create volume. My hair is freshly washed. I always let it dry a little bit at the roots because it's just going to save me a lot of time when I blow dry my hair, and then at the end it's a little bit more wet slash damp. So what I like to do is I take my Great Body blow dry cream and I'm going to put this in my hair just like this. You can use it in all of your hair. So see, it also kind of like smooths out my hair immediately without combing it. You can use a blow dry cream in all of your hair, but this is completely optional. I like to use a spray on my roots. This is the Pre-Styler thickening spray. So the Great Body blow dry cream moisturizes the hair, gives volume. It's a heat protective cream as well, and it also holds the blow dry all day, and it also contains the strand swelling Emblica technology. The BB thickening spray is a pre-styler and it preps your hair for lush blow dries. It lifts and it's for all hair types. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow dry my hair and then I keep doing these sections so it's easier for me to blow dry. I'm not a professional, by the way, but this is just how I do it for, I think, 3 years now. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so I blow dried the lower section. As you can see, the volume is already there. It's kind of lifted from the root, which is a good thing. Also, to get more volume, you just want to blow dry it like this instead of this. You want the root to be lifted from your scalp, if you know what I mean. So that's how I blow dry it. So that is pretty much how I blow dry my hair. As you can see, my hair is really lifted from the roots. I can do whatever I want with it. If I want to wear it like really tight at the front, I can do that. If I want to curl my hair, I can do that. If I want to use a straightener, I can do that. Even though it has a lot of volume, it still feels very airy. I don't like to have this perfect hair, so what I like to do is make it a little frizzy in a good way, so it's a little bit more raw. You see how much volume I have? And my hair still looks really healthy, even though we know it's not healthy, but it feels and it looks really healthy. And that's what I've been doing for the last couple of weeks. And then last but not least, one of my favorite hair products at the moment is the Bumble and Bumble texture spray. It's such a good spray. So if you want to have volume, people usually go and use a hairspray, which is totally understandable. But hairspray is more like to kind of like hold a hairstyle in place. And I really don't want to use a hairspray all the time. I feel like sometimes we use hairspray for the wrong reasons, because we want more texture, because we want more volume, and a hairspray is actually going to make it a little bit more harsh, whereas this texture spray makes it more voluminous, adds a little bit more texture to it. And especially when it's like humid outside, you don't want to use a hairspray because it's going to get really sticky. So that's where this baby comes and does the job. It doesn't matter what kind of hair type you have, it really does the job. As I told you, I tested on my friend and she was completely blown away. So what I'm going to do is you want to shake it a little bit and just spray it onto your hair. It smells really good too, and it makes the hair a little bit softer, but more voluminous, but very airy at the same time. So that is pretty much how I style my hair, how I get volume, and how I use the Bumble and Bumble products. Thank you again, Bumble and Bumble, for sponsoring this video. And obviously, I will link all the Bumble and Bumble products in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on my other social channels, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!